Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to make Gboard default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app and search Gboard. After search Gboard and install Gboard. After install, go to App Library and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard and you will see make sure enable Gboard button. After enable Gboard and click on OK and click on keyboard and you will see Gboard is add. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make default keyboard on Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.